This AI copywriting agent was trained up on hundreds of pages of best practices, SOPs, and industry standards for writing cold email copy. But there's not a RAG system in sight, and there's no user message, and there's no system message. Let's go ahead and run this. And as you can see, it has expertly crafted a 4-email sequence with copy directly targeting that audience. So how to do it? You're probably aware that you could build custom GPTs, and this is basically where you can drag and drop a lot of files, folders, and things that you want to train up an AI agent on, and then it's able to use that as a database. But there's just one problem. You can't access these custom models using the OpenAI API. But there is something you can do instead. OpenAI has something called an assistant. You can find it in your OpenAI dashboard under Assistants. And an OpenAI assistant allows you to do everything that you would do in a custom GPT, but it is accessible via the API. So what we have is our assistant name, we have a system prompt right here, and then we actually have a database of files that we can access at any given time. And you can see here, I've used dozens of documents to train up this particular assistant to write the best possible email copy. And to show you how easy this is, I'm going to do it for you right now in real time. Under your OpenAI dashboard, you're just going to go to your assistants and click create. Let's say that I want to create a cold email copywriter. Here I've got a ton of documents with examples, swipe files, best practices, copywriting techniques. And what I want to do is I want to use this as my database. So I'm just going to click on the file search. I'm going to add files, and I'm just going to drag and drop all of these right in there. And now it's good to go. I'm just going to click attach, and it's done. Now I'd already crafted the prompt for this particular agent, so I'm just going to copy and paste this in. You can see that it's been updated down here. I'm going to head back over into my workflow, and we're going to run this again. And there we go. You can see that it's added on the email sequence, and you can already tell that it's based on best practices. Now, for most, using an assistant like this is more than enough, but let's talk about when you might actually prefer RAG. So typically any time that you need to train up an agent, but you don't need that training or database to be updated in real time, then an assistant is going to be right for you. Here's a couple examples of assistants that you could build. Trained copywriter, onboarding specialist, proposal brief generator, content editor, sales playbook, navigator, okay? These are all examples of things you could do with an AI assistant. But let's say you've got a significantly more complex use case, something like a searchable knowledge base that's updated in real time, legal contract analysis, enterprise help desk, or real-time indexing. All of these would require a little bit more complicated RAG system that's updated and indexed in real time. So guys, if you found that helpful, do me a favor, give me a like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below with any suggestions you have. Also, if you want to download any of the AI automation templates that you can find on this channel for free, all you have to do is head to my free school community. The link is down below. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.